In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily send gift message in Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then tap right here to go to your conversations list. After that, get into some specific conversation and then just start typing your message. Once the message is done, tap right here at that search icon, and then you will be able to drag it to the left for a bit until you find that gift box, and then just tap on it to send this message as a gift. Once your recipient get this message, they will be able to tap on it to see the message text. That's basically how you can easily send gift message in Instagram.